Lewis lives in a studio, but he's not alone. Max, an intelligent and lovely dog, is his roomy best friend. But when it's cleaning time, he notices that there's a lot of Lewis's hair everywhere. This is a job for Bissell 2252 Clean View. The Bissell 2252 Clean View is a swivel upright vacuum with a powerful pet hair pickup, large, easy-to-empty dirt tank, swivel steering for maximum maneuverability, triple action brush roll, and advanced anti-scatter technology that will allow you to clean multiple surfaces. The Bissell 2252 Clean View makes it easy to clean around furniture and other obstacles easy. With its effective triple action brush roll, it loosens, lifts, and removes all pet hair. Also, by purchasing the Bissell 2252 Clean View, you help save pets by supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to save homeless pets. The Bissell vacuum cleaner comes with a turbo eraser tool to clean stairs, upholstery, and much more.